Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CTO token, the Chief Troll Officer token. Now this meme coin here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 23rd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the CTO token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Chief Troll Officer is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. According to their BSC scan, they already have 1,083 holders. There's 9 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 1 billion CTO tokens. Now, this token, their Twitter, you can find here at CTO_2024. I'm going to put that on the screen here as usual. You'll see they have 5,475 followers. It says, fueling crypto with mischief, memes, and a dash of disruption. And then it has the contract address right there. It has a link to their Telegram at CTO2024, and then a link to their webpage, ctoelon.site. Now this comes from a tweet from Elon Musk, and you can see that in the banner there on the Twitter. Elon Musk tweeted out CTO, Chief Troll Officer, and you know when Elon Musk tweets something, it becomes a crypto coin, and that's where this name came from. 59 tweets so far, so go check out their Twitter. In their pinned tweet, there's basically like a full link tree of all sorts of things, like a DEX tools chart they have there. They have a DEX screener, or no, what is it? CoinMarketCap there. So they are listed on CoinMarketCap. Pancakeswap link, all sorts of links there in the pinned tweet there. So this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 23rd at exactly 7 o'clock UTC time. The CTO token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CTO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So all over their Twitter, there's just tons and tons of Mexc Global announcements. Almost all of their tweets are basically talking about how they're being listed on Mexc Global, so they're super pumped about that. Obviously, it's in all different languages as well. Now, if you want to join the conversation regarding this project, you can check them out on Telegram. They have over 20,000 Telegram members. Right now it says 20,568 Telegram members. 1,122 of them are online. So that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project here. Their webpage has a link to buy. Has a link to their BSC scan, has tons of links like DEX tools, Pancakeswap, PooCoin, Aave.ai, DEX screener, CoinMarketCap, DEX view, etc. So you can get this token prior to the Mexc Global listing on Pancakeswap. You can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the CTO token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is right on this Twitter right here, real easy to find. And you will have to set your slippage around 4% for buys, sells, and maybe transfers, because there is a 4% tax. And it says here on DEX Tools that right now they have a market cap of $1.04 million. They have $66,240 in locked liquidity on Pancakeswap V2. They have a 24-hour trading volume right now of $55,250. Now this token may have had a pink sale pre-sale as well. I'm just going to check in the Launchpad list. I do remember seeing this token somewhere else, and I do believe that it was on pink sale, unless it was a token with a similar name, which is very, very possible. So if you go into the Launchpad list on pink sale and you search CTO, let's see what pops up here. So I do believe that they did have, there it is right there. So there is a bunch of tokens. There's even one live right now, so it's very hard to tell which one's the real token. Of course, you'd have to go through. Wow, so they had 2 successful CTO tokens. This one could be it. Oh, no, maybe that's not it. So that one right there has some of them have different ticker symbols. So some of them have ticker symbol Elon or something like that. You just have to make sure that their web pages match up and their socials match up and the contract address. So if those don't match up, then obviously it's not the right token. So this one says here, their Twitter is CTO Chief Troll. So it looks like, yeah, so don't get confused. There was many other projects that had pre-sales. Yeah, so this one's totally different. There's many other CTO tokens because, you know, Elon Musk tweets are very popular. That they came out in the past, different ticker symbols. Some of them have similar ticker symbols, similar names. But just make sure it's this Twitter with those web pages on there and the right contract address, and it's the one being listed on Mexc Global, because there's other ones out there. I'm not saying those are good or bad tokens. The other ones out there, I'm not saying this one is a good or bad token. I'm just saying don't get it confused with other tokens, because they're not being listed on Mexc. Now, it says, fueling crypto with mischief memes and a dash of disruption. Introducing CTO, the Chief Troll Officer coin, where cryptocurrency innovation meets mischief. Inspired by Elon, it's a decentralized, meme-driven ecosystem, disrupts the traditional Chief Technology Officer concept. Blending cutting-edge blockchain technology with humor. Dive into a world where memes and crypto collide, turning transactions into entertaining adventures. Join the CTO movement. Invest today and be part of the community thriving on unpredictability, providing humor, and can revolutionize the digital currency landscape. It's not just a coin, it's filled with laughter, crypto, and let the trolling begin. They have a contact email at the very bottom of their webpage if you want to join that. They don't even really have a roadmap or anything you know, like that. This is very much just a meme coin. Doesn't even really tell you what the taxes are for either. Their DEX Tools chart, though. On their DEX Tools chart, we can see if there's some warnings in their audits. So let's check that out. There's one alert, which is... One alert is not that concerning, but, I mean, all alerts can be concerning. So just, you know, always do your own research here. Now, if we scroll down, it just says other risks. So quick intel, it just says other risks, and who knows what that is. So they're not full audits yet, so just be aware of that. And check out their DEX Tools chart to see, you know, what they say about this token. Check out the webpage, all that type of stuff. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about CTO? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Check out all the referral codes as well, especially that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.